Welcome back to Portlanders 4x4. If you're new here, we usually camp in some of the most remote areas the Pacific Northwest has to offer. As much as we like things to go perfectly, sometimes we have a little bit too much fun, and things don't go as planned. But that's all part of the fun. We hope our stories inspire you to get out there and explore for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Should we restart or what?
Nah, that's good. $37.4.
Yeah. Fucking mad.
36.5? You're 37.2?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're 37.
Damn, you're lightweight.
32.
How'd you get that low?
33, 35. This is the first major uphill. Probably like many of like 100 more.
It says that they're usually full like year round.
What do you mean full? Like people camp around them? Or full as in water?
Water.
There's the energy packs. The hunting packs.
Or the honey pack. I have those too.
Bro, you were drenched too.
I get the logo. We're gonna get
Patagucci. What brand shorts are you wearing? You know we're all name brand here.
North Face.
Damn. Columbia tee. I'm pretty much Columbia'd out too, except the Lululemon shirt.
Or other shoes too. Like the Merrells.
You know,
These are like top dogs. Like
top dogs.
Merrells and Keens. Like Keen with the toe cap.
Bro, I've seen those the Keen ones look really comfortable. I feel like the leather on the outside is really like, I don't know, it's not stiff.
Yeah, no, they're pretty nice.
I got the Solomons.
Like feel it.
Yeah, I've felt them. Damn.
Fuck, I'm all Goodwill brand right now. Even the shoes. $20.
Oh, glasses. What are these, like Safeways or what?
No, these are.
Oh, these are the Oakleys you said you.
No, these are the SunClouds.
Oh yeah, you said that.
They came with
That they came with some homie gave them to you at work.
this one. Yeah.
I got Columbia's too. I don't know what they're called. Joe's got the Oakleys.
You know what I rock? Same actually.
Yeah, he said he ordered them on Depop.
Oh, the $20. The fake ones? Mm.
No, they're real. They're just like swirled up.
Like they click.
Joe put like all his eggs in one basket, thinking there's gonna be a creek.
Relying on Alan.
What is your Nalgene bottle at?
3/4. I'll finish that one.
What is that? Yeah, things are starting to open up here. More foliage, a lot more sun. And check this out. All those flowers slash plants standing up that are white that you see here are called death camas flower. But it's about to open up here. I feel full of them. Whoa, this is so nice. It'd be cool to see some wildlife. We haven't really seen any marmots, chipmunks, or bears. I mean, I guess we don't want to run into those. Another backpacker said that we were going in a direction where supposedly somebody saw bears, so it spooked Adrian. He didn't like that joke. Okay, here goes the second water crossing. It looks honestly the same as the first one. This one might be even bigger though. Let's see. Alright, everybody has their shoes off. I've got the boots. I'm just gonna go in like that. Bro, you look like a chivo! El Puma is crossing right now. El Puma's scared. Says it's slippery. Joe had no reaction, but geez, that was so cold, bro.
Did you get me on vid?
Yeah, I did. I wasn't really worried about the unstableness. My feet were freezing, bro.
Yeah, it's just cold.
And they came out of right there. So you had to hike up, now cross the water, and then hike on top of these boulders and get over here. And honestly, it was like a 30-minute ordeal because we don't have chacos, so no water off-roading kind of shoes that we prepped with. So we took our shoes off. Thankfully, it wasn't too, the rocks weren't too pointy and they're small, pretty rounded. The water was about knee deep. That water was freezing. And it sucks because we're gonna we're going to have to cross it again on our way back, and that was cold. I might have to take a shot of what I packed to do that again. But hey, first time backpacking. I'm just giving feedback. It may sound like I'm complaining, but that was fun. This might be an issue. I've never set up this tent before. But let's figure it out together. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I was not going to show you how I set that up because it was complicated. I've never set it up before, but after I set it up the first time, I think I'll be able to do it easily, a lot faster the next time around. So, but yeah, this is camp. This is Dollar Lake, I believe, and we're just camping right on it. And Hood is creeping there in the back. It's around 8:30 right now, so the sunset's about to come up or down. Oh god, it's cold up here. Overall, pretty good day for our first backpacking hike. I think a lot of us are feeling sore too. Some of us are have sore legs, others have sore shoulders. I myself have sore shoulders. If there's any tips and tricks that you think is out there that could help, relieve that, that would be great. So put them in the comments. But I did everything. I strapped the backpack straps as you should, and the waist strap as well. But I think it was just a lot for our first trip, and geez, the first 2 hours were all inclined, so it was a little bit rough. After the 4th mile, 5th mile, it wasn't as difficult, but there were some river crossings, and geez, those were probably one of the toughest on the trail because of how freaking cold it was. And I wish I had chacos to not to be able to walk through the river and step on rocks without doing it barefoot, but next time. So I'm having Santa Fe style rice and beans with chicken.
Because I thought I liked the jump a little more.
590 calories, 41 grams.
Like, would it test it out in real time?
2 servings per container. All you have to do is add 2 cups of boiling water, stir it, wait 8 minutes, and then stir again, reseal, wait another 7 minutes, and that's it. So I'll have a meal in 20-30 minutes probably. Highly sought after brand, the Kuvik.
Didn't even realize it was sunset right now. What do you think is best? Throw the water in the lake or just let it go? Fish one?
My wife got me this. It's the Life Straw Sip. So all you have to do is put in the water that is not unfiltered, and it tastes really good. And it doesn't take a lot of strength to drink the water. So this is just water I got from the stream. All you gotta do is put it in here. And it filters it. And then once you're done using it, you boil out all the water. This takes a little bit more work, but then you can just put it back in here. This little container. It doesn't get dirty. I think it's worth it to have more than one water filter source. So, lucky I got that. that water's so warm.
I told you, it's warm.
It's too late to get into it right now, but I mean, it's just sitting. Like hopefully nobody like did their business in there. It's like great water. Yeah. Doesn't look that great, honestly. But I'll take it. Adrian just got his shoes stuck. He just said he wasn't even gonna touch.